Hello, welcome to part 5 of the enemy randomiser. You can see I've switched my character. I am now playing as Saint, and I hope I can get to the end of the game right here. Okay, my hopes are not high of actually achieving my goal of getting through to the end. I've never seen the green ones before. What are those? Why are they green? They're usually orange or blue. Why are they green? What is going on? Why are they green? Ah, mother long legs, right there. Great. Yeah, that's great. That's just great. Really appreciate the fact that this game decides to do that to me. Oh, I got to kill the wrong thing. There you go. Now the abomination is dead. Okay. So you get for coming at me. The randomizer is doing great things right now. It's definitely doing its job. Just a little bit too well. Hello, Spider-Man. It's doing it well. The randomizer is doing a bit too much. Okay. Come at me, Spider. Get away. I was not expecting the spider to actually come at me. What's down here? Not much. Okay. He deserves it. Oh, okay. What is this background music? I don't really like it. Don't really like what's going on. Get away. Oi. I'm gonna get evicted. Hey. Hey. Hello. Okay, what am I doing? Just go. Like, give him the eviction notice. If I can do it. Okay. So that guy's just get away from me. You don't belong here. Okay. I evicted 2 of his friends, and he's trying to go through the pipe, but he's failing. Let's wait. Let's see if he can do it. I think he just did. Nope. Get through the pipe. Get through. Stop being in the way. Come on. Come on. Wait, he's doing it. He did it. Yes. What is this background music? Whatever it is, it's up. Okay. Okay. That's a red centipede. I'm out of here. Hello. Oh. Hello. Hold on, I have an idea. So it didn't work. Bam! It worked. Now he's just dead. So, very good thing. Not for him though. Forgot. Why am I holding A spin? Can't use them. I have a weak flow. This character. This music sucks. Wait, that was the safe point. And now he's at the safe point. Get away! What the hell? He's jumping. He's just jumping around. Having a great time. Probably ruined. I've ruined his day. Okay. Now, let's go. I don't spawn at the Karma Gate now if I die. Now I spawn straight in Subterranean. What is this? More lore about the game that I am not going to care about. Oh yeah, continue. More lore I don't care to. Continue. There you go. He's alive again. You can tell by panic because I just spammed the button to activate my powers. Die. There you go. I was not even trying to kill that other white lizard. He just got in the crossfire. Oh, I'm back here. What? What just pushed me up? Okay. I feel like I was supposed to get up there. But that's going to be a problem. Because of you! And you! Mainly you, the blue one. If you don't give me trouble, I won't give you trouble. And when I mean that, I mean killing you. So, if you leave me alone, I will leave you alone. He's not leaving me alone, that's it. That's what you get. And he's in the way. Of course he's in the way. This dead corpse just got in the way. Can I get around? Yes, I can. Good. Where am I going? Wait, where am I right now? Wait, what? Confused. No, that just leads straight there. How did I get there? Oh, I see, okay. Have to go back. I see. Hold on, food. Okay. There you go. Now. I went. Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Alright. Okay. Ow, ow. Oh, that's a train. I'm staying here for a bit. No, avoid him. The purple. The Thanos lizard. Just gotta wait till my powers are ready. There you go, and he will be dead in no time. If he somehow survived, I would. It's probably highly unlikely. I've only encountered like one thing that can survive, which is the Guardian, which is those floating guys, the box head with an X on him. Scav, don't even try it. What? Damn. Oh yeah, they're here. I remember now. I got light. Okay. There you go. I can see. Am I in filtration? Is this filtration system? What is this? Yep, this is filtration. Swear, everything where mole lizards usually spawn here. What will the randomizer turn them into, though? I don't want to find out. I see. That's what it turned them into. That thing. What is this? What is the randomizer? Why does the randomizer like to turn just things into the what? The thing I most hate and disgust. Why don't I have my torch? Torch. This is my torch. Totally didn't cheat to get it. Ignore it. I didn't. I didn't. You did. I didn't cheat. You cheated. What? What am I even saying? Okay. As soon as I am now at the depths. The depths. Why did I say depths like that? Why did I say it like that? There we go. I'm now basically at the end of the game. The end of this series. Will it be the depths or will it be Rubicon? Because I'm saying nope. It's yeah, it's good. I was thinking it'd be the depths. Just flying like Superman here. How do I get past? Oh yeah, gotta go under. Okay. I'm realizing the benefits of having this totally legit lamp. What the? Realizing the benefits of it. I will actually be able to see in the depths. And it's usually pitch black with a haze of orange. And whatever music this is. Why does gravity feel a little bit different? Wait, I just realized. First, how do I get that? That's how. I just about to answer the question and I just answered it for myself. Okay. Just as a spamming it. Why am I spamming it? I don't know. I just am. Why not? If I can do it, why not keep doing it? Okay. Just casually flying up here, and boom. Now I'm over here. Boom, and boom. Now I'll meet for Guardians, if they're still Guardians. Okay, let's still hit Guardians. Hello! You'll let me pass. Now, for the near enough end of the game, now to go to here. Ow. Oh yeah, I forgot this. Everything looks weird now. What? Why? Why does everything look weird all of a sudden? You know, don't question it. This game already has so many questions. I've already why am I talking? Just stop talking. Okay, go straight here. Wait, why does sound sound different? The sound sounds slowed. I hear it. It shouldn't be like that. Okay. Where am I? Did I go the right direction? Looks like it, okay. Where am I going? Why is the screen like this? What the hell? Am I on LSD or something? What's going on? I took too many drugs. This is what drugs feel like. But I don't do drugs. That's the medicine. Okay, I'm just gonna fly. Flying seems like the faster solution here. Okay, now I can just barely see. What's going on? See a giant pit, I'm going down it. Oh yes, I can see with the light. Oh, now the light's gone. Okay. What is going on? What the? What is this? What is the floor and what is not the floor? I wanna know. this is where the series ends. I'm not gonna show you the ending because first off, it takes like 5 minutes. It's a stupid. It doesn't need to be a long ending, but it is. And I'll show you the ending for the playthrough for Survivor campaign. So bye, and I hope you enjoyed this series.